There's one turkey. I just moved the 3 turkeys out here, so... Oh, there's another one. And the 3rd one. Alright, all good. Just wanted to make sure everybody was okay before I go to work. These guys. Good morning! Probably have to get them some water and unplug their light. They still have a light for overnight, but it's gonna be 70 today, so they won't be needing a light on during the day. Let's see how they're looking in here. Ooh, nice and warm. I can feel the heat. Not too bad. And of course you need water. Anybody's feet? No. Okay. Your food should. There you go.